This is how I put a tea station together in a very tiny, tiny space. This actually only cost me $2 and no, I think it's $3. Cost me $3. And how could that be? Because everything you see is already already used in a past post. Nothing is new. And even that, maybe even a zero cost. Because the only thing that's new on this tea station are these beautiful cupcakes. They have orchids on top and they're pineapple cupcakes. Are they not the most beautiful things you see? And I spent $3.50 for the pair of them. But they were beautiful. Now they tell me those orchids are edible. I don't know if I want to try that. But I thought it turned out really, really nice. And I just wanted to share it with you. Oh my gosh. Can you believe this was no more than $3.50 if we count the food. And if we don't count that, it's free. Well, I already had the paper napkins, and I already had the red hearts. The little saucer, the little for the milk is not new, and it comes with the sugar bowl, and it's not new. I put my tea and my sweetener in there to keep everything nice and tidy on this small area. These plates are like 25 years old, and are they not beautiful? They belong to a set, and I love them. They're my favorite set. And believe it or not, this goes with it. And there's a honey pot, so if you wanted honey instead of sugar for your tea, we're all ready for you. This beautiful heart-shaped tray is for Valentine's that I bought this year, but it's already been in several posts, so it's free. The teapot I bought a while back, and of course that makes it free, and been on several posts. The flowers are new, not all of them, but a lot of them. The little tiny ones I just bought, but they've already been in a post too. This one I've had since last year, and the one in the very back, I don't know when I bought that, sometime maybe the end of last year or the beginning of this year. But together it looks beautiful, doesn't it? Hope you enjoy this post. Now, these beautiful cups were bought at Dollar Tree, and I'm putting it with this because they have the bumps on the side, and I thought they go so nice with the teapot. I have plenty of different kinds of cups, but I just thought I would use those today. So please let me know what was your favorite piece in this post. This is for Valentine's. I'm trying to get as many posts as I can get up. Try to use these flowers in so many different ways to show you don't have to go out and spend lots of money every single week when you have beautiful pieces already. Just reuse, repurpose as much as you can. That's how you do your channel, to keep it in a budget. And as you can see, the roses are not all the same color, but the theme is still there, the garden. And the flowers do not exactly matchy match either, but do they not look beautiful? Like they were just picked out of a spring garden. I love this so much, I'm going to be having it on my kitchen table for the next month. So I hope you enjoy watching all these beautiful videos I'm putting up. And I don't know if you can see all the beautiful detail work on this plate. This is why I bought them. It is just gorgeous, all the leaf work. And this came with 4 different patterns, so there's 8 plates altogether. So we usually do tablescapes for 2, so that means that Grandma can do 4 tablescapes with that one set of dishes. And I have all the pieces also. There's a lot more to those dishes than what I'm sharing. But I just wanted to try to stay with a white and pink theme most of it. Shame I couldn't have found some pink orchids, but I saw these and I thought, oh, it screams out garden. And I said, I have to take a picture with them. Do they not look beautiful? Well, let me know in the comment section what was your favorite thing on this post. Hugs and kisses to the very end.